Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can find friends that you have deleted on Snapchat. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So there are a couple of ways through which you can find your deleted friends on Snapchat. So here I'm going to delete one of my friends and then I'll show you how you can get it back. Now the first thing you can do is tap on this add friends icon in the top right. Now in the quick add section, check if the friend is available or not. If not, then make sure if you have a contact number of that specific person, then simply move to contact section by just clicking on all contacts and you'll be able to find that person here. If you even don't have the contact of that person, then simply move back from here and search for their username. If you don't remember the exact username, you can also type the first letters of their username and Snapchat will suggest some people and you can find it from them. And that's how you can find your deleted friends on Snapchat. And all for today's video guys. I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.